Alright, in this video I'm going over the back side of the homework, page P100. Okay, notice once again, I keep saying it, but I have my two charts. These are going to make my life much easier. Okay. Number one, Justin rides his bicycle 2.5 kilometers to school. Luke walks 1,950 meters to school. How much further does Justin ride to school than Luke walks to school? Well, I got to change. I got a conversion here. I have 2.5 kilometers, so I'm starting with kilometers, and I want to go to meters. So I have to go over 1, 2, 3, and I'm going to the right. So I take 2.5, I go over right 3, 1, 2, 3. Put my 2 zeros in because I had 2 spaces there. So Justin is going 2,500 meters, and Luke is going 1,950 meters. So now it's very easy to see. How much further? Well, in this case, we need to find the difference. So we subtract to find the difference. And I'll let you do that math to see how much further the difference between 2,500 minus 1,950. Okay, the length of a room is 10.5 feet. What is the length of the room in inches? Well, I want to change 1/2 to a decimal, so I take the denominator and I divide it into the numerator. I get 0.5, so 10.5 is the same thing as 10.5. And I'm going from a larger unit of measure, feet, to a smaller unit of measure, inches. So I need to multiply. What do I multiply by? There's my conversion rate, 12. And I'll let you finish that multiplication on your own. Don't forget to put the decimal in the correct place. Once you get your answer down here, you're going to move your decimal over 1 because there's one number behind the decimal. So you're going to move your decimal over 1 once you get the answer. Okay, number 3, each unit on the map represents 1 mile. So each one, that's 1 mile, 2 miles, 3 miles, and so on. What is the distance between the campground and the waterfall? So campground is here, waterfall is here. You're just counting 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 miles. Okay, number 4, on a field trip, 2 vans carry 32 students. How many students can go on the field trip when there are 6 vans? Okay, so you need to, there's a couple ways to do this. One, you can do vans over students, and then get vans over how many students, multiply by 3, multiply by 3, and that's going to tell you your answer here. Another way is to change it to a unit rate. So 2 over 32, divide the numerator and the denominator by 2. You get 1 to 16, so each van carries 16. So you take 16 times 6. That would be another way to get the answer. But these two numbers are going to be the same number, which is going to be your number of students. Okay, number 5, according to a 2008 survey, 29/50 of all teens have sent at least one text messages in their lives. What percent of teens have sent text messages? So for number 5, you're going to want to take 29 over 50. Percent means per 100. That's going to tell you your percent. Multiply, and then multiply the top by the same thing to find your percent. Number 6, of the students in Miss Danvers' class, 6 walk to school. This represents 30% of the students. How many students are in Miss Danvers' class? Okay, I'm going to erase some of my previous works just so I have some more scratch papers place. But again, you just grab another piece of scratch paper. Okay, you don't need to erase anything. So 30% is 30 per 100, and that 30% is, the 6 students that walk are the part, and remember, a fraction is always a part over a whole. So in this problem, they've given me the part, 6. So I need to check, what can I divide 30 by to get 6? Well, I can divide it by 5, so I divide the denominator by 5, and that will tell me the whole, or the total number of students in the class. So I'll let you go ahead and do that math. But again, if you have any additional questions, please don't hesitate to raise your hand. All right, thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.